Oh yeah.
Doesn't sound too good, does it? Now, let me tell you how we're gonna fix this. This guy.
Me and my 13mm ratchet.
Him and his 13 mil.
So, what the is this wire?
Okay, what language is this?
Why don't you fish it through here?
No, I was too lazy, bro.
That's not a skill. That's not just a skill issue. That's a condensation issue, bro.
This is a safety issue too.
Yeah.
Yo, mama's.
That noise is caused by this check strap. It's positioned too high. How are we gonna fix that? This little thing here. Use a 13mm, preferably if it was a ratchet one because it's easier to work with. Just loosen this one. Loosen it just enough. Now turn it around to tighten it, and right before you do, push down on it. Here, Jack, you push it down, and then I'll tighten it. You pushing?
Yeah.
Okay. Push harder. Okay, see if that fixed it.
All right, the moment of truth. Does the door still squeak?
Not only is he a smart guy, he's also a handsome guy. Get a look at this guy.
Yeah.
Get a look at his
Oh.
He's married though. He's about
Yeah. So stop looking at his face. So have us do our all your Tesla mobile service needs.